What's up, guys? Today's video is a self-working card force. It's a real easy one to do. There's no little secret pinky breaks or no like special moves or anything. It's really easy to do. Let me demonstrate what it is first, okay? First you want to, we're going to get you a card. Here, let me turn some of the pack over like that, and then a little more of the pack over, then a little more of the pack over, so it's all random. They're all front, face to back and everything. I'll turn the whole pack over now. So there's no telling which ones are facing what way now. So the first card facing down, we'll go ahead and make that your card. Let's see what we have here. First card facing down. You go ahead and look at that and remember it. You got it? Alright, now let me have a look at you here. I'm going to say that was you're thinking of the Ace of Clubs, right? Right. Well, how I do that, you got the Ace of Clubs, and so how you do that first is you want to get the card you want to force onto the spectator onto the top of the deck. The card you want them to have, you want to put on top of the pack, like the Ace of Clubs here. And once it's on top, everything else is self-working. There's no real secret moves. You just grab 1/4 of the pack and you turn it over, and then 2/4 of the pack and turn it over, and then 3/4 of the pack, turn it over, and then turn the whole pack over. And the first card facing down will be that top card, the Ace of Clubs, every time. And that's how simple this one is to do. It's pretty much self-working. All you have to do is, turn them over in the right way. So we have the Ace of Clubs on top, and we'll go through it one more time real slow. You take 1/3 of the pack, or a little packet, and you turn it over, right? And then you go down a little further in the pack, 2/3, and you turn it over. And then 3/3, and you turn it over. Then you turn the whole pack over. You turn over 4 packs of cards, the 4th one being the whole deck. And first card facing down will be that top card every time. In this case, it's the Ace of Clubs, the card we're forcing onto the spectator. And then once you're here, it looks like I mixed the cards up, putting them face to back, face to back, face to back. But really, only half the pack is face up and half the pack is face down. So all you got to do is, they get their card, you just turn over the half, and the deck's back in its original all face down position. So just to be sure that was clear, let me explain this again. You got the card on the top, Ace of Clubs. You turn over a little bit of the cards, then a little bit more, that's 2, a little bit more, that's 3 times, and then you turn the whole pack over for the 4th time, and then the first card facing down will be that Ace of Clubs that was on top of the pack. And then to square this all up, you just turn over 1/2 and square the deck up, and you got a deck that's all in the same order. And that is a self-working card force that is very easy to do with no little secret pinky breaks or anything else. So if you liked the video, drop a like, share it, press that little bell notification, come back and watch the next video.